So just few hours ago, I shared a video with you 5 common things in Harry and James Potter. And now it's time to share 5 more things common in Harry's mother, Lily Potter and Harry Potter. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And you can also follow me on Instagram to see iconic and funny memes of Harry Potter. My Instagram account name is Potterlair, link is in the description. You can follow me there. And also if you want iconic merchandise of Harry Potter like Harry Potter goodies, bags, keychains, hoodies and everything you want from the Harry Potter universe, then I got a website for you, Fandomian, where you can buy anything you want from Wizarding World. Link is in the description, so go check out the website and shop whatever you want. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 1. He died for those he loves. The Harry Potter series reaches to its heroic peak when Harry makes the ultimate sacrifice and hands himself over the Voldemort in Deathly Hallows. This magical ultimately and unintentionally gives his friends, all allies, some protection from the Dark Lord, allowing good to triumph over evil in the final battle. It's a full circle moment considering Harry's story started with the similar choice for his mother. When Voldemort tried to kill an infant Harry, Lily gave her own life to save his. Both shares the same courage and selfless nature, thinking nothing of dying if it means sparing those they love. Number 2. His strong sense of justice. From the moment Harry rejects Malfoy's offer of making friends with the right sort of wizards in Sorcerer's Stone, it's clear that he has a strict moral and expects the same from others. He has a clear-cut sense of what is right and wrong and won't hesitate to stand up to those who don't. This habit is something readers of Order of the Phoenix will recognize from Snape's worst memory. When James taunted and attacked Snape for the amusement of his friends, Lily publicly calls him out for being a bully. Harry leaves this memory disappointed in his father and definitively on his mother's side of event, which speaks volume to his own principles. Number 3. He's sashy. Book purists have long lamented the absence of Harry's sashiness in the movies, spouting off some of the shadiest burn in all the Harry Potter books. Harry is not a flamboyantly funny as a Fred and Georgie, but he's extremely witty and unafraid to use this to his advantage. We never get to see Lily put her own sash into practice, but according to the Slughorn, it was a sight to behold. As a student, she was vivacious with plenty of cheeky answers up her sleeves. It's just a shame fans never got to see this sashy Potter do in action. His Muggle upbringing. As the son of a witch and wizard, Harry should never have been raised by Muggles. However, when he was orphaned, he had no other option than to raised by his aunt and uncle. As a result, he started Hogwarts with very little understanding of magic and expressed his fear to Ron that this will slow him down. While Lily at least had one magical friend in Snape as a child, as a Muggle born, she still grew up in a Muggle environment. When Harry sees her in the Snape's memories, she is just as awed by magic as he was at the age of 11. Of course, the irony of both being newcomers to the Wizarding World is that both also ended up saving it. Number 5. He is humble. Even though Harry has more fame and wealth as a child than most people do in a lifetime, it never goes to his head. He is modest about his achievements, playing down the fact he has fought Voldemort multiple times, can cast a Patronus, and won the Triwizard Tournament in the first Dumbledore's army meeting. It's tough to imagine James Potter, who is once described as having a head so faith it's a miracle his broomstick lifts off the ground, handling this kind of attention as well as a teen, considering Lily is the one who called him out on it. Humility is a trait she values highly, and thankfully it was passed on to her son. So thanks a lot for watching Potterlairs. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the Muggles.